Hi, my name is Christina Govinda with DomesticFelicity.com, and today we're going to talk about how to make tissue paper centerpieces. For this project, you're going to use a piece of wire and 8 pieces of tissue paper. We're going to start out by folding our paper accordion style. Just one fold over the other. Once you have your tissue paper folded, we're going to take a piece of wire and wrap it around the very middle. Fold it to find out where the middle is, right there where my finger is. Take my wire and then twist it around itself. This is going to secure the middle of our tissue paper centerpiece. The next step is to cut around here. You can either cut a pointed edge or you can do more of a petal shape. And this is the time to make it the shape that you would like it to be as well. If you'd like it to be slightly smaller than what it is now, you can go ahead and cut it down. I'm going to do this to both sides. Once you've finished cutting it, we're going to spread it out a little bit. Then each layer we are going to just delicately pull up each piece as close to the center as we can. Once you have your tissue paper completely unfolded, you then have a really lovely centerpiece that you can make by pennies on the dollar. You can make them any size that you'd like and decorate with smaller ones or bigger ones. They're such a great way to decorate your table. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Christina, and today we talked about how to make tissue paper centerpieces.